Hi there, this is the Stankoimport hydraulic surface grinder. We've got our manual feeds on it, on the table, the cross slide, and the grinding head itself, which is a very fine adjustment. Once upon a time it had hydraulic hoses from there to a bank down there, which have been removed for some reason. It's also got the electrical vertical up and down, so that's down and that's going up. That works really well. We'll start the main grinding head up. It's running really quietly. Start the hydraulic pump up. Right, we'll get the traverse going on the table. Obviously that's got an increase and a decrease option in speed. Speed it up a bit. And now we'll start the cross feed on the table. Now the cross feed itself's only got quite fine adjustments. So if someone wanted to quickly skim across something with the cross feed, they'd possibly have to do it manually. It comes with a coolant system and a skimmer on it that plugs in the back, and it doesn't have a magnetic table fitted to it. Slow that table down. And that's pretty much it. It runs really quietly and seems to